Virginia.
Oh, hey guys.
Mountain mama, take me home. Country roads. Hello, everybody. BOOZHOO ni Jana Shanabe Doog. And welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. Today, our Ojibwe word of the day is Gajagains. Cat. Gajagains. Cat. This is Bahgeera. Bahgeera is my cat, and he likes to be carried around. And Bahgeera is so uncool. He does this thing where he's like still into planking. And I told him he could be on the show, and he was like, "Oh, I'm going to plank for the people."
Nah.
Anyway, so this is Bahgeera. I'm going to let him out. Talk to you later, bro.
See you later, Bahgeera. Oh, poor kitty.
And otherwise, today's show, I thought we would start with, what do you think, Natasha?
I don't know.
You know what? You remind me of the Babe.
What, babe?
Babe with the power.
What power?
The power of voodoo.
Who do?
You do.
Who do what?
Remind me of the Babe. I saw my baby crying hard as babes could cry. What could I do? My baby's love had gone and left my baby blue. Nobody knew what kind of magic spell to use.
Slime or snails or puppy ducktails, thunder or
Anamosh
lightning.
said.
Hey!
All right.
He's not
So,
even awake.
that was a song from a movie called Labyrinth,
Mm-hmm.
which is a movie I really enjoyed when I was a kid. And it stars David Bowie. And he plays the Goblin King, Jareth. It's a good movie to watch with your nieces, and especially nieces.
Yeah. Like Dina in
The story of
Equine.
Labyrinth has a lot to do
Hi,
with
guys.
that age where you're leaving childhood and coming into adulthood, and you have to give up your childhood things.
Mm-hmm.
And for a lot of kids at around, I would say like 5th or 6th grade, you're kind of secretly have one foot in childhood, and then you're kind of walking around like you understand what adulthood's about.
Yeah, huh?
But so Labyrinth is about a little girl who has a big imagination and plays with all these stuffed animals and stuff. And one night she prays to have her little brother taken away from her. And so sure enough, the Goblin King, David Bowie, shows up and takes away her baby brother. And she's got to go look for him. Anyway, why am I giving a movie review of Labyrinth?
I don't
I'm
know.
not even sure if it's still good. I liked it as a kid. I love the soundtrack.
I think it's
But,
still good.
You know, most of those movies, they don't age all that well. So, Madwaya BG Begun. Madwaya BG Begun.
Is that right?
BG. How do we say that? Madwaya BG BG Gun. Madwaya BG BG Gun.
Madwaya
BG
Bigi.
BG Gun.
Biki,
Madwaya
biki,
BG BG Gun
Oh.
is Ojibwe for guitar. And yesterday I did a little episode called I think Guitar Talk with Michael Lyons. And I thought I would do a part 2 of Guitar Talk. So today, yesterday I was kind of talking about guitar and history and American music. And it was a little awkward because I realized most of the time my viewers are closer to my age. But this is actually, I'm just going to talk as though you're a young person. So I'm not going to assume you know what the difference between blues and, you know, rockabilly are. And so, whatever. That's my disclaimer. Anyway, I started playing guitar when I was like 17 years old. And, okay, let's just do a David Bowie song.
Okay.
I'm going to do that. So David Bowie was in the movie Labyrinth, just to kind of keep this consistent. And This is not a song that was in it, but he became. David Bowie was sort of a underground artist for many years of his career. He wasn't that successful until like the 1980s. And then after he became big, people retroactively went back and bought his albums and started to analyze his career. When I was a kid, I got turned on to David Bowie very young, so I knew a lot of his really old stuff before he became like a top 40 hit. But still, in 1983, there was an album called Let's Dance, and this is Let's Dance. Want to help me with this, Natasha?
Oh, you know it.
Okay. Let's dance. Put on your red shoes and dance the blues. Let's dance to the song they're playing on the radio. Let's sway while color lights up your face. Let's sway, sway through the crowd to an empty space. And if you say run, I'll run with you. And if you say hide, we'll hide. Because my love for you would break my heart in two. If you should fall into my arms, tremble like a flower.
Ooh, na 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 na. Yeah, yeah.
Let's dance for fear your grace should fall.
Yeah.
Let's dance for fear tonight is all.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Let's sway. You can look into my eyes. Let's sway under the moonlight, the serious moonlight. If you say run, I'll run with you. And if you say hide, we'll hide. Because my love for you would break my heart in two. If you should fall into my arms, tremble like a flower.
Let's dance. Oh, yeah, baby.
Let's dance.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Let's dance under the moonlight.
Let's dance, let's dance, let's dance, let's dance,
let's
dance.
Ooh, yeah, yeah.
All right. And you have been watching BOOZHOO,
BOOZHOO,
NANABOOZHOO,
NANABOOZHOO.
a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Michael Lyons, and this is Natasha.
BOOZHOO.
And I will see you again.
Gigawabamin.
Minowa.
Minowa.
Hoa.
Hoa. All right. Na 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 na. Ooh, in a blue. All right, let's see what that looks like. Hey, give us a thumbs up. I forgot to say that.